In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on this section called security and privacy. Then click on lock screen. Choose screen lock. And when you're ready, tap on one of those options, PIN, password or pattern. After you decided, it's time to create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just tap on this button at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are sure of your choice, hit continue at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it and choose confirm. Finally, to manage lock screen notifications, manage this switcher. You can also adjust those options. Then hit done. And if you want to turn on remote unlock, choose turn on. If you don't, select cancel. Either way, let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!